ETP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was exactly what's within this move, we mentioned about different possibility, and I mentioned the best things is if I look at this one as a running flat. That's why I mentioned if I get one more drop with the barcode of the previous low, if there is no continuation, any reversal from there, we can take the trade. This is the reasons we've been looking for one more drop. And we mentioned we have been looking for 53.3. We mentioned if the this is the levels we mentioned with the breakout of 53.3, the next level we can look for is 49.6. As we can see, even the price broke the 49.6, but there was a reversal. Now want to see what's the next. We don't need this level anymore. And because based on daily chart, we have been looking for one more drop. That's why since the price was within this move, I mentioned I want to see one more drop. Then from there, we will see whether there is a reversal or not. Anyway, we start we move with the day to daily chart. Again, based on daily chart, we have been looking for this one as a correction. That's why we have been looking for this one as a first wave correction, and we have been looking for the third one. And right now, what we're looking for, we're looking for the reversal. That's mean if we get any reversal right now for buy, this is what we're looking for. Okay, but can we expect this is the start of the down move in relative this big wave? That's mean the bigger picture, we can expect this one as well. But we are not expecting this one happen now. All right. That's why we're looking at this one as a correction. If we get any reversal, this is what we're looking for. If we get any opportunity for long term, we take the trade. But how long the price can consolidate within this range, it depends. It doesn't matter. From now, if we get any opportunity for buy, we take the trade and we start to manage. The only thing is, as I explained, based on daily chart, we should know about the one of the possibility based on the bigger picture. That's mean if we wants to look for buy, we should know where is our stop loss and we should know what's our risk and reward. And how about if we refer to the indicators? As we can see, if we put our line here, the price haven't retested the previous low yet. Because if the price could retest the previous low, we could refer to the indicators for the divergence. But at this time, we don't need to really rely on that. As I mentioned, if we get any reversal, for me personally, I'm looking for buy. But what I can see here, I don't see any reversal point. And even still, we can expect it to get a deeper correction for one more drop in relative to this. Can we expect this one turn to a running flat? This is the question later we need to discuss if the prices start to consolidate within this range. But if we get any reversal as a sharp move flag, this is what I'm looking for. That means I'm more interested to look for buy rather than sell. Anyway, if we move to 1 hour chart, and we're looking for the reversal, and the key levels I'm looking for is 52.2 following by 53.3. That's mean if we get any reversal, any trace at all for buy the sharp move flag, we need to see the breakout of these levels, and especially this one. All right, but right now we don't see any trade setup. Can we consider this one in relative to this as a correction? It depends. The only way is to put a warrant tree above the top. But we should know that if we want to put a warrant tree above the top, our stop loss should be somewhere around 47. And we want to see the continuation as a short move flag, right? And if the price tag, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours, but we should know that there is a possibility the price tag and this one turn to flat for one more drop. That's why if traders, they want to look for buy by having a trade above the stop, they should not be aware about this possibility. Okay. Anyway, we prefer the price consolidate here for a few more hours. It can give us better confirmation for continuation. That means that this correction turn to a deeper correction relative to this move. As I mentioned, I'm looking for buy, but right now we don't see really good trade setup to look for buy. The only way is to put our entry above the top, but I mentioned that there is a possibility this one turn to a flat for one more drop. And since based on forward chart, we didn't have the divergence. Anyway, we're looking for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, proper trade setup, I will share. Thanks.